Hi class, I thought that in order to show you how I expect you to do your showcase presentation, I would do a presentation myself using the same software that I'm recommending for this assignment, but you don't have to use it. So what I've been using for all of these video lectures is a really simple Google Chrome plugin called Screencastify. I've got it linked here in the assignment overview, and if you click the link, you'll get to the Screencastify login or homepage. Now, what this is actually an extension for Google Chrome. So if you are on a PC and you use a browser other than Chrome, you're probably going to want to install Chrome as your browser for this particular thing to work. If you're on a Mac, you're probably going to have to use a different software. You could install Chrome for Mac and still use this plugin, whichever is easiest for you. But if you don't want to use this particular plugin, that's totally fine. What I would like to make sure that you have is the ability to show your screen and your face at the same time. So that's specifically what I'm looking for this assignment. I want to see your face, and I also want to see your screen. If you are doing the Screencastify plugin, what you're going to do after you install it here, it's going to add a little extension to the top of your Chrome browser. And basically all that you do is click that extension button and it'll pop up a little window here. You're going to want to make sure that microphone and embed webcam are enabled. You click the record button. It's going to give you a countdown and then you'll start recording. What's really, really great about this software is that, number one, it's totally free. Number two, it automatically is going to save it to a Google Drive file for you, so you don't really have to worry about uploading it anywhere. It really takes all of the work out of it for you, and it's really intuitive. Additionally, with the free version, you have a 5-minute limit, and guess what? This particular presentation is a 5-minute limit. So you don't even really have to worry about timing yourself. You're going to run out of time. And if you go over time, scrap that recording and try it again. So once you're done recording, you're going to get to the Screencastify page where you see the video that you just created. It's going to be difficult for me to show that here. But with the video pulled up, there should be a button that says share. And you should be able to share the Google Drive file, or you can upload it to YouTube and connect to your YouTube account. Totally up to you. But what I want you to link to in the project is your shared video, either shared on Google Drive with me or shared on YouTube. If you share it on YouTube, make sure it's set to public or unlisted, not private, so that I can see your video. Okay, so that's a lot of information about how. Now I'm going to tell you about what to include in the video. So as a designer, part of what you have to do is defend your work to your clients. If your clients have asked you to create a specific thing for them, you're going to have to show that to them and explain how you have achieved what they were asking you to do. And that's what I want you to do here. I want you to pull up in a PDF your final portfolio and talk me through it page by page. Tell me about your design process, both of how you designed the portfolio itself and each one of your pieces within the portfolio. Tell me about how you might have made some changes along the way to improve your designs, both, again, for your portfolio as a whole and your individual designs. And by doing that, you can express yourself as a designer and convince me that you have followed all of the great rules of design that we've learned throughout the semester. Illustrate those concepts that you've learned. So kind of hit those main keywords, contrast, repetition, alignment. Think about infusing your presentation with those keywords and convince me that your design has met our creative brief. So that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions. And one last thing, dress professionally. This is your final presentation. If you were selling this to a client, even through a screen recording device instead of in person, they're going to expect you to be a professional, as do I. So look the part, and you guys will be great. Let me know